In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best hot air soldering stations available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the hot air soldering stations list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the hot air soldering stations mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, YIHUA H310D 1000W Hot Air Gun Soldering Station. The YIHUA H310D redefines precision in electronics repair with its robust 1000W high-power heating core. Specifically engineered for tasks like NAND CPU IC welding, this soldering station ensures not just power but also nuanced temperature control for intricate operations. Tailored for professionals, it proves invaluable in phone and PCB chip repairs. With its combination of power and precision, the YIHUA H310D is a reliable companion for demanding electronic tasks, offering efficiency and accuracy in equal measure. Number 4, YIHUA 995DI Upgraded Hot Air Rework Station. The YIHUA 995DI stands as a testament to innovation with its upgraded features, including an easy plug-pull nozzle system and a 110W soldering iron station. The large digital display enhances user control and visibility during soldering, making it a standout choice for those who prioritize a user-friendly experience. The adaptability of this station is evident in its easy nozzle changes, addressing the needs of professionals who value convenience without compromising on performance. This soldering station link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 3, ATTEN ST862D Precision Hot Air Gun Soldering Station. For those engaged in phone PCB chip repair, the ATTEN ST862D is a precision powerhouse. The intelligent digital display coupled with its 1000W power ensures not just accuracy but also reliability in intricate soldering tasks. This soldering station caters to the discerning needs of technicians seeking a high-performance tool. The ATTEN ST862D seamlessly blends power and precision, making it an indispensable choice for professionals navigating the complexities of detailed electronic repairs. Number 2, Quick 857DW Adjustable Hot Air Gun Station. The Quick 857DW soldering station is a technological marvel, offering an adjustable 850W hot air gun with a heater helical wind air gun. Its design, focused on versatility, makes it ideal for a spectrum of soldering applications. Professionals appreciate the flexibility provided by adjustable temperature settings and helical wind technology, ensuring efficiency in intricate electronic repairs. The Quick 857DW is the go-to choice for those who demand precision and adaptability in their soldering equipment. If you want to get more information and buy this soldering station, please check the link in description. Number 1, YIHUA 899D22IN1 Hot Air Rework Soldering Iron Station. At the forefront of soldering technology, the YIHUA 899D2 is a 2-in-1 hot air rework and soldering iron station. Beyond its one-button control for seamless transitions between hot and cool air, this upgraded model introduces a new plug-pull nozzle design for added convenience. Precision in soldering tasks is elevated, making it an excellent choice for professionals immersed in detailed electronics repair. The YIHUA 899D2 not only exemplifies reliability but also incorporates advanced features, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience for even the most demanding soldering tasks.